Hey guys, it's Angela, and for today's video I am going to be trying out the Colorfix color removal system. It is to remove hair color, and it's, from what I understand, it's a little bit better for your hair than the Colors app. So I'm going to try this. I did buy the Colors app once upon a time, and I still have it. It's right here. I'm just terrified to use it because Colors app says it is not intended for bleached hair or for hair color that is lighter than a 7. And my hair is bleached and it is lighter than a 7 in the bleached areas, which is where I need to apply it. So I shied away from this and I got this. So this does not say anything about hair color. It says for all hair types. It does not say anything that, contradicts bleaching. I have not read the instructions inside because I haven't opened it. I literally just got back from Sally's. Spent $100 at Sally's. I am going to be doing my roots later today, so I want to get rid of the color first so I can see clearly where the color stops and only apply this product to the dyed part of my hair before I go in and do my roots. So let's open it up. Let's see what's inside. Okay, so it brings one and only Colorfix number 3, and this is the processing lotion. It has a bottle of the number 2, which is the conditioning catalyst, and the number 1 bottle is the color reducer itself. So the instructions are very inconveniently inside the box. So now I'm going to attempt to very carefully take apart the box without tearing the instructions so that I can read them. Oh, that wasn't so hard. Look at that. Boom. Okay. Do this little section right here. There we go. Okay. Now the box is completely open and all the instructions are inside. So, let's see. Guys, you have no idea how long I've been waiting to do my hair. Sally's has been closed and it just opened on Tuesday. Today is Friday. I finally got in there and bought so much stuff. If you want a hint of what I am doing for my new hair color, should I give you a hint? You guys want a hint? Which color am I doing? I don't know. We'll see. Got lots of color. Okay, I think I got the camera back to how it was. Close enough. All right, so let's see. It says, ensure hair is clean and dry. I just washed it this morning. It is clean, it is dry, it is product free. Mix equal parts of one and only Colorfix Color Reducer Part 1 and Conditioning Catalyst Part 2 into a tint bowl. Or an applicator bottle. I have a tint bowl, so it's fine. Mix as much as will be needed for the density and length of hair that requires correction. My hair is thin, but I have a lot of it, so I'll mix a pretty good amount. Wearing gloves and using a tint brush, apply quickly and evenly to the hair. Okay, got my gloves, got my tint brush. If mixed in an applicator bottle, shake vigorously until thoroughly mixed, 45 seconds to a minute. Gently work through the hair to ensure round penetration. Okay. After mixing part 1 and color reducer part 2, use as quickly as possible since the activity of the mixture decreases with time. Cover loosely with a plastic processing cap and process up to 20 minutes. Low, warm, dry heat may be used to speed processing time. I don't have a jar that I can use for that, or those cap things that people use. Rinse hair for 3 to 5 minutes, shampoo twice. If sufficient color is not removed, repeat steps 2 and 3. This may be done on damp towel dried hair. Depending on the condition of scalp and hair, do not repeat process more than 3 times. When desired level of removal has been achieved, apply part 3 processing lotion for 5 minutes. Due to the nature of dye molecules, it is possible that hair may re-darken to an unacceptable level. If it does, repeat steps 2 through 4 on damp hair until sufficient color is removed. Rinse well, dry hair with with a warm heat setting. You may now proceed with your color application if performing a full color corrective service. Okay. I may wait until tomorrow to put bleach on my roots based on what this is saying. I don't want to, we'll see how I feel. Because Mikhail, of course, wants her hair done too. And she needs her roots done as well. Let me go ahead and get this mixed together. I'm trying to figure out how I'm going to measure how much I am putting in there so that I do equal parts. Let's see. My trusty scales batteries are low, if not dead, all the way dead. So let me go get the scale and see how it does. Okay, I have my mixing bowl on my scale. I'm going to zero that out. See if I can turn it to ounces. There we go. And it is zeroed out at ounces. So first I'm going to use the color mix. This brings 4 ounces. This also brings 4 ounces. So I think I'll mix 2 of each, just to have some to spare for either Michaela or for a second application. Or maybe I should start with 1 ounce of each. Let's do 2. I think I need 2. Alright, so let's do 2 ounces. 6.5. That's 1 ounce. Two ounces. Perfect. Okay, and this stuff is clear and it is like a jelly almost. And then here is number 2, and we're going to do 2 ounces of that as well. So we're going to bring this up to 4 ounces. Okay, so I have 4 ounces exactly, 2 ounces of each exactly mixed in my bowl. Here is what that looks like. Sorry I couldn't show you the scale, but I don't have a camera angle that will work for that. So I'm just going to go ahead and mix this up really good. This is what it looks like. It's kind of creamy and whipped at the same time. It's a weird consistency, kind of slimy. All right, that is well mixed. I'm gonna put the scale aside and we're gonna get right into it. I'm gonna start out with the top. I have a mirror right below the camera, so you guys will be able to see it. Actually, I think I'll start with the darker hair, honestly. Like where it's so hard to tell where the darker hair is. Let's just start at the top and see what happens. I think I have a plastic processing cap somewhere around here. I'm trying not to get it on my natural hair because there's no color to remove on my natural hair. I have taken too long. I need this applied quickly. You know what? There's not enough time. I'm just gonna go like this, grab some with my fingers, and just start rubbing it where there's dye in my hair. Because I want this to be done quickly, and I want to do it as evenly as possible. Stuff says it's odorless, but it does have a bit of a smell. I wish I could describe it to you, but I really don't know how to describe it. Almost like a perm smell. You know how perms smell? But it's very mild. It's not a strong hair perm smell. I might have enough with this 2 ounces to do my hair and Michaela's hair. This stuff goes a long way. You don't need a lot. I do think if it requires a plastic color processing cap that I should bring one. Just saying. But it's, you know, it's professional products, not for home use, technically. Even though everybody does it at home. Almost done with my whole head, guys. And I still have over half a bowl left. I might go through and resaturate everything just to make sure I got it all. I have so much product left. I really didn't think an ounce would be enough, but I guess it would have been. Ow. Sorry, I banged the camera, guys. This is where the heaviest concentration of color is, because it's the part that gets the least amount of sunlight. So let's make sure we get a good, even saturation there. Same thing on this side. Let's go back in. Ow. I keep hurting myself. Oh. Okay. All right. I do believe I have successfully put this stuff all over my hair. I'm gonna go see if I can find a plastic cap. I think I have some somewhere. I'll be right back, guys. I'm gonna look for a plastic cap. Alright, I found my bag of plastic caps, but it was empty, so a warmer bag will have to do. Oh, that one has a hole in it. Here we go. Alright, I brought two by accident. I'm glad, because the first one had a hole in it. I'm just gonna put that over my head. See if I can actually get this to tie. It might not stay, but okay. Plastic bag is on my head, and I am now processing. I will be back in about 30 minutes after I wash this off in 20 minutes. See you then. Okay, so this is my hair after doing the Colorfix treatment on it. It does definitely look a lot lighter, I think. It looks really healthy and shiny, which I'm surprised about. I have seen horror stories with people using Colors app where their hair just ends up completely fried. And looking at my hair, it's looking quite pretty actually. And for some reason when I blow dry it, it kind of looks longer, I think, than when it's not blow dried. So that makes me happy. I'm trying to grow it out again. The crazy cycle continues. I grow it out, I chop it off, I grow it out, I chop it off. Anyway, so what I think I'm gonna do is I might let it rest for tonight, and then I'll do my bleaching of the roots and color tomorrow, just to give my hair a rest from all the shampooing and blow drying and all that stuff. So this is the end result. I'm gonna put a side by side here. You guys tell me if you think it is lighter, if you think the product worked at all, if it removed enough. Now it does state on the package, if you did not get enough removal the first time, you can repeat it up to 3 times. I'm not gonna do that. I just needed enough color lift so that I can get other colors over the top, and I feel like I achieved that. So yeah, this is where we're gonna be at. So, and if a little bit of purple shows through on the final result of what I'm doing to my hair, it's gonna work just fine. So I'm okay with that. All right, so this is it. Let me know what you think in the comments. Leave a like if you want to see more videos like this. If you want to see me test out and review other products, I'm really loving doing product reviews for you guys. It's a lot of fun for me to try new things, and it gives me an excuse to shop. So yeah, it works out win-win for both of us. All right, so thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click the little bell icon so you are notified when I upload videos. And also don't forget to follow me on social media. I am on Twitter at youtube.thatbabe.com. Oh my gosh, at youtube.thatbabe. So I love you guys, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.